Have you had any time to browse our website? I'd be happy to book you a demo. If I could just take down your contact information, I'd be happy to book you a demo. If I could just take down your contact information. Oh, you don't want a demo? Oh, you want to talk about data security? No? If I could just take down your contact information, then we could easily. What? We don't even sell that. So you just looked at our website for no reason. Well, why were you on our website if you didn't want to buy? No, but can you just call me? Why do you hate me? Okay, so that's a definite maybe. Okay, thanks.